Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and use avatar on WhatsApp. So let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, you can see the avatar option. Tap on it. Here, you will see an option that says Create Your Avatar. Tap on it to begin. You have two choices for creating your avatar. You can either take a photo or create it manually. For this guide, we will use the Take a Photo option. Tap on it. Place your face in the circle and then tap on the camera button. Once your photo is taken, you will be asked to select your skin tone. Choose the tone that best matches you and tap on the next button. Your avatar is now created. You can make additional edits if you like, or you can directly tap the Save button to finalize your avatar. You can now use your avatar to create stickers or set it as your profile photo. It's a fun way to express yourself in the chat. And this is how you can create and use avatar on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.